What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got some goodies we found probably 2 weeks ago. They've been sitting over there in the corner, and I thought we should finally get to what we picked up. I know I've leaked a lot of this on social media, so if you don't follow me on there, check the description box down below. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I definitely appreciate you clicking on this video, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for all of our future videos. And give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel grow, and like we've been mentioning, we are close to 10,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to reach that milestone so we can give back to you guys and do a huge giveaway. So let's go ahead and jump into the bag, guys. This one is actually, both of these are from Walmart, but here we go. We picked up a 68 Camaro. Now this is for a good buddy of mine, and he loves 68 Camaros, so I wanted to pick this up for him. Beautiful seafoam metallic. It's very nice. Of course, it's the SS350, and this thing is just gorgeous. Definitely do dig this, so picked it up for him. I'll go ahead and set it off to the side. And then of course we did find some new Car Culture premium packs right here, and let's go ahead and see if you can figure out which two I picked up. But we're gonna go ahead and turn it around anyways. And the first one is the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti with the Fleet Flyer. Check it out, man. This thing is awesome. Beautiful casting. Love the hauler on this one. Just red, black, and white. Keeping it simple. I gotta say, this thing is gorgeous. You do have a full roll cage in there, the black 5-spoke, premium wheels, and of course all the details that come out of the Car Culture lineup. So the team transport is looking really good, and there's the full image of the car. Definitely a beauty. And then of course you got the 61 Impala, which is the second one I picked up, and this thing is awesome looking. Check it out, guys. Beautiful baby blue with the red and of course the white steelies. That is nice. Very nice setup on this one, man. 61 Impala with the 72 Chevy ramp truck. Love the deco on this one. Of course, you just have that tan panel with the red enamel body. But the car, man, the 409 cubic inch with the El Segundo Chevrolet on the side, and of course the 61 representing the year of the Impala. This thing is awesome as well. And yeah, and they did have the 70 Rover P6 Group 2, but I wasn't feeling it, so I left it on the peg. So here we go, guys. New Car Culture team transports along with some Coke Zero. Hold on real quick. Ah, so good. Like I said, Car Culture premiums right here look awesome. And then of course these are hooks for the wall, so I can actually hang up some more stuff on these beams. Next up, guys, we did pick up another large scale Mustang. This is out of the American Legends Motor Max. Here we go, man. This is a awesome freaking blue. That is just gorgeous. I want to say it's Velocity blue. It looks like the Velocity blue off of the GT500. But yeah, definitely a beautiful one. Now, I had seen this one before. I posted a picture on Facebook, and it was smashed up, guys. The box was mangled up. There was a Corvette that also comes out of the series in orange, which is gorgeous as well, and that thing was smashed. I wanted to pick it up, but I mean, it was missing the mirrors, the wiper cowl, the window was broken, everything was broken, the headlights were missing. I didn't want to pick it up just to get a discounted broken S550, so this is definitely one that I had to get, man. Yes, I had to get it because I'm the Mustang hunter, man. I have to pick up every Mustang I see, of course, within reason. I'm not going to buy anything secondhand market that is just exponentially through the roof in price, unless it's a very hard one to find. Then I might entertain it. But other than that, I try to find things out in the wild or trade for it. So that will do. This was like $7, I think it is. All right, guys, and the next one we found is this one. Check it out, guys. Such a huge debate. And of course, the controversial Mustang Mach E, the 2022, in this grabber blue. I know it's not really a Mustang, but of course, me being a Mustang collector, I can't discriminate against this ugly SUV. And of course the detail on this one is on point. It's out of Greenlight, so of course you're not going to expect anything less. Got the nice tail light, even all the fender reflectors and everything on it. It's actually a pretty nice casting. Well done for green light on this one, but 2022 Mach E for the collection. And at a Johnny Lightning, guys, we found this at Target. Actually, it's the 1986 SVO in this beautiful light Raghetta blue. Check it out, there's the paint code 3851, a 3J. This thing is nice, very well done. Details, of course, are on point. And this one's a 12,768 production car. It's a new casting for Johnny Lightning. And this is the first release of our new 86 SVO casting. The versions differ from the previous Mustang SVO releases by using the angled flushed headlights rather than the recessed sealed beam version. So you can see these are the angled headlights, whereas if you look on these, reach this one. Alright, so if you look at this one, the headlights are actually sunken in, just like the SVO, but the new casting are using angled ones, so they're not sunk in. They are flush with the tooling. So very cool facts. I'm glad I was able to show you the earlier versions of the SVO. This will go on the wall, which we made room in the last episode, and we hung up the other ones. Then next up, we found this beauty right here. This is a 2003 first edition of the 68 Mustang, but this one's a hard to find version, and I'll show you why. So the other ones have Boss Hoss on the fender, but this one is the version without Boss Hoss on the fender. Very hard to find, guys. Very hard to find, and I was super excited when I seen this at the antique mall. I did pay $450 for it, but to me, it was definitely worth it. Hard to find one, guys. Another variation. You guys know how I am with variations. I love to find them all. There's base variations, all kinds of stuff when it comes to collecting. But yes, if you have these in your collection, hold on to these because these are the harder ones to find. And then this bad boy, we got the Foose in this awesome blue right here. Check it out. It's a 1970 Foose Gambler 514. This thing is awesome, guys. Love the lift series out of M2. This is a 750 piece chase, not this particular one, but I'm sure it would have some type of gold piece, gold wheels, and all that stuff. So look for this casting. This particular 70 Foose Gambler is the chase out of this lineup. I can't remember which series this is out of. But if you just look at the Foose designs and you see this one with gold or maybe a black chrome, that's the chase, guys. And the final one is this chase piece, guys. It's been a while since I found a chase in the 1/64 scale. It's the 1932 Ford Roadster. And check it out. Beautiful gold accents. And this is a 750 piece chase for this release. 1932 Ford. Such a beauty. So a good amount of Mustangs added to the collection. We got the M2 Foose Gambler. And we have the hard to find and rare 68 Mustang first edition. And we got the green light Mustang Mach E, which is, I hate saying Mustang Mach E, but it is what it is. And then, of course, the Johnny Lightning recasting or new casting for the SVO. Then we got the American Legends S550, beautiful blue. And of course, the two car culture premiums, the 61 Impala and the Alfa Romeo. That is it. That is all we got for this episode, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this latest haul of some new Mustangs added to the collection. And of course, the chase piece 1932 Ford. And yeah, that is all we got. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts on what we picked up. And yeah, keep me informed on anything new. I'll keep you guys informed on variations and anything new as well. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.